Hello, dear children. The only way to fight the fear of mathematics is to do it. I have brought the topic cubes and cube roots, especially for the children of class 8. Children, in this part, we shall define a cube, we shall also define a cubic number, and we shall go through the different properties of a cubic number along with examples. Children, you have gone through this very topic, that is cube, many a times. The chalk box kept in your classroom is the perfect example of a cube. A cube is a 3D symmetrical figure. Now you might be thinking, what is symmetrical? Symmetrical is nothing but if you cut the cube from between or in the middle, you will find two equal parts on both the sides. Now a cube has 6 faces. Each of its face is a square. So total surface area of the cube is 6 into L square. And the volume of the cube is L cube, where L is the length of each of its side. Whatever I am speaking here regarding the formula for total surface area and volume, you have done with this in your class 7th mensuration part. Now, if we know that volume is calculated using the formula L cube, that means V is equal to L into L into L. Then, suppose I give you the length of the cube shown here as 2 units, then its volume will be 8 cubic units. So, volume of a cube is a cubic number. Why cubic number? See, 8 cubic units. We got 8 by multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. 2 by itself 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, not 2 into 3. So, what is a cubic number? We can say that a number obtained after multiplying an integer by itself 3 times. Again, listen carefully, children. Multiplying a number, an integer, by itself 3 times. That is, if we find the value of 3 into 3 into 3, then the product 27 will be a cubic number. If we multiply a number minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, then the resulting number, that is minus 64, is also a cubic number. Let us quickly go through the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. So 1 cube will be equal to 1, 2 cube will be equal to 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube will be equal to 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube is equal to 1000. I have encircled all the digits in the unit places of the cubic numbers. Now, if you go through these cubic numbers, you will understand that cubes of odd numbers are odd and the cubes of even numbers are even. To bifurcate these things, I have encircled odd numbers and even numbers with different colors. Now, if you come to the last number, that is 10, 10 cube is equal to 1000. So, in 1000, there are 3 zeros. So, you can come to conclusion that numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 20, 200, 2000, etc., which end with 0, when cubed, will give you 3 zeros or 6 zeros or 9 zeros in the cubic number. Children, let us see what happens when we multiply a negative integer. Suppose we take the example of minus 1. So minus 1 cube will be equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. We have multiplied minus 3 times. So what will be the resultant number? Will it be positive or negative? Two minuses together will give you plus, and then one plus and minus will give you again minus. So the resultant will be in minus. So here minus 1 cube will be minus 1. And if we go for plus 2 cube, it will be plus 8. That means if you find the cube of negative numbers, it will come in negative, and if you find the cube of positive numbers, it will come in positive. So our property 3 says the cubes of positive numbers are positive and the cubes of negative numbers are negative. Suppose we are taking a rational number. Let us say minus 5 by 3. So what will you do? Minus 5 by 3 cube means minus 5 by 3 multiplied by minus 5 by 3 multiplied by minus 5 by 3. So see the numerators, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, and the denominator is 3 into 3 into 3. So we shall get minus 125 by 27. That means when you are cubing a rational number, you will cube the numerator and cube the denominator to get the resultant rational number, which will be the cubic rational number. Now you can say that, ma'am, what will happen if we will have a negative number in the denominator? When you will multiply the denominator, you will multiply negation also along with the denominator. Suppose you will be getting a number which is 5 by minus 3. Then what will be your answer? Your answer will be 5 into 5 into 5 by minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So you will get 125 by minus 27. Now if you will bring that 125 by minus 27 in standard form, it will again become minus 125 by 27, because in the standard form we put the negation in the numerator. So the property 4 says the cube of a rational number is equal to the cube of its numerator by the cube of its denominator. Children, go through the cubes of natural numbers what we have done earlier from 1 to 10, and you will notice that cubes of even numbers are multiples of 8. I have taken the value of 6 cube to explain the same. 6 cube is equal to 216, but if you just split 6, you will get 6 equal to 2 into 3. So 6 cube can be written as 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. That means we'll get 8 into 27. So this proves that 6 cube is the multiple of 8. Now if you write 6 cube again in the form of 2 into 3 whole cube, you can notice that 6 cube is also the multiple of 27. So this says that the cubes of any multiples of 3 are multiples of 27. You go through the cube of 9 or you go through the cube of 12. These are the multiples of 3, and you will see that these cubes are multiples of 27. Children, if we go through the cubes of natural numbers, we'll see that they exhibit a peculiar pattern. See, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, and it can be written as sum of two odd numbers 3 and 5. Both are consecutive. 3 cube is equal to 27, and it can be written as sum of 7, 9 and 11. All these 3 odd numbers are consecutive. 4 cube is equal to 64. It can be written as 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 21. That means 4 cube can be written as sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers. So in this way, 5 cube can be written as 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 plus 31. These are 5 odd numbers and they are consecutive. So we can say that cube of the number n can be written as the sum of consecutive n odd numbers. That means if you are cubing 5, you can get the sum of 125 by adding 5 consecutive odd numbers. If you are cubing 4, you are getting 64, and you can get 64 by adding 4 consecutive odd numbers. Children, this is the question time now. The questions given here are based on the knowledge shared in this presentation. Go through these questions, solve them, and evaluate yourselves. I'll be back with some more questions and some more concepts. Till then, stay indoors, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.